Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix IPCONFIG renew not working. To start, we open the command prompt console as administrators. Click Yes to access. There, reset the WinSock catalog, run the command nest WinSock reset, press enter. To complete this process, reboot the system. When you access it again, in the search box enter network. Open Network Reset. You will click on the button, Reset Now and then Yes to confirm. Close the pop-up window. Finally, reboot the system to apply these changes. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.